tour tayo dito. Bay view with highest floor. My outfit. Okay, thank you, love. Madam. Which one would you?
Anchovy butter.
Okay, thank you.
You wish.
Hi guys! Get ready with me. Tonight, meron kaming dinner kasama yung parents ni Adam. Isi-celebrate namin yung birthday ng papa niya. Then, nag-book din ako ng hotel and dinner kung saan ako nag-work. Nakapag-ayos na ako ng konting retouch na lang. Ayan, tapos bihes. Plano namin ni Adam is mag-check-in muna kami para doon sa kanila magiging room. Maglalagay kami ng wine, birthday card, then yung cake. Then, babalik kami dito sa bahay para mag-BS for dinner mamaya. Okay na yung hair ko, guys. Okay. Look like. It's gonna check. Okay. Oh, that's nice.
That's
Go
nice,
love.
love.
Yeah.
I would really love this.
Your parents are gonna love this. Yeah. And in the higher floor.
Wow.
Bay view with highest floor.
Wow. This is great.
Look at the view, love.
Amazing view. Geelong never looks so good.
Guys, room tour tayo. Dito mag-i-stay yung dad ni Adam for his birthday. So, binook namin to. With a bay view. Oh, di ba? Taray! Ang ganda ng view. And, meron tayong pa-wine dyan. And, king bed. And dito, si Adam. Meron tayo dito complimentary water and coffee with coffee machine. And big mirror here. Tapos, dito, meron ditong mga sleepers, blower, plancha, hanger, and meron ditong bathrobe, safety box, flashlight, and minibar fridge. Then, dito, merong wine glass, drink glass, champagne glass, and the bathroom. Room natin, meron ding mirror dito. Ayan, meron tayo dito hand wash, lotion. Diba? Modern na modern siya. Very, very clean. Shower. Meron na tayo diyang bath gel, shampoo, and conditioner.
25 minutes away.
Okay.
I said we're away from in the lobby though. Yeah.
Nice view, love, yeah?
What do you think, love? My photos.
Oh.
You know that?
Nice.
I know this one too.
Send that to me right
Panel.
now when I
Panel.
post it.
I cropped that one up there. Crop the footy up. Yeah.
You really good taking photo, love. Nice.
It's lovely, yeah. Very nice.
Yeah.
Short glass, but a large box cube. It's similar amount of liquid to what you'd get in a Negroni or any kind of those stir drinks. It is quite
See the test you had to do? Yeah. Oh, pretty simple. You do this one. Let's do this one. Thanks very much.
Yes, thank you.
Thank you. You
Thank you for this. This is great.
And here's to you two as well.
Oh, yes. It's your anniversary.
Yeah. Tuesday, isn't it?
Yeah.
1 year. That's beautiful.
That's, yes, Grandmania.
Kababalik lang namin. Nag-taste na ako for our dinner, guys. So, pumunta kami doon para i-check yung room. Nilagay namin yung wine doon and yung card. And nagustuhan ng parents ni Adam. So, hindi na ako nag-video, guys. Hindi ako masyado nag-video kapag nandun yung parents ni Adam. Kasi ayoko na mailang sila. Nag-retouch lang uli ako, guys. Yan, naglalagay ako ng blush on. Gamit ko yung Dior Rosewood shade. Then, maglagay tayo ng, and then Dior Backstage. Itong brown. Lagay ko dito sa kilay ko. Ay, sa kilay, sa mata ko. Ayan, for eyeshadow. Then, itong white, lagay lang natin dito konti. Ay, napadami. Konting retouch ng kilay. Yung lipstick ko nandun sa kabilang bathroom, naliligo si Adam. My outfit, guys! Shoes natin from Zara. Yan. Suotin ko yung bracelet na bigay ni Adam. Special occasion ko lang ito sinusuot. Kinagamit. Kasi ayoko baka mawala.
Where's the end? Sorry. No, it's better with this side. How far do you want up?
On the end.
Hmm?
The,
What do you mean the end?
yeah, the second hole.
Second hole?
Yes.
Where's that off? Yeah?
Thank you. That's nice. Okay.
This lady a bit too much to wear, yeah?
Yeah, I think you don't need to have jacket because
Yeah,
you're wearing long sleeve.
Melbourne's definitely like this. Yeah.
It's still okay. Nalagay ako dito ng clip ko guys para naman hindi masyadong simple yung hair ko. Ayan.
Big voiceover. You look beautiful.
Okay, thank you, love. Madam. Put that here so in case you don't forget this.
We got heaps of time, so
Oh, yeah. Yep.
Express it. Express to level 10. Look at that. You know that? Did you know about that?
No, I never read that. Hello. Message them already, no?
On the footy. Melbourne beat Yes.
Which one would you like?
I think you might be right, mate. Yeah? I think you might be right. Anchovy butter.
Anchovy butter. Are you allergic to fish?
Okay, thank you.
Delicious. Thank you. There's salt and pepper in that if you want that.
Oh, no, I'm not.
To you. Happy birthday, dear Diane. Happy birthday to you. Thanks, mate. Blow 'em out. Make a wish. At least you've got the candles for my birthday. You could save these. Oh,